Oh, you guys are both blue, eh? Wait, wait, don't change. Oh, I was gonna say don't change anything, see what happens.
From pocket.
It doesn't really matter whose pocket.
Yeah, we're gonna be untouched anyway.
Well, preferably we would like to bring the pressure to them early castle. Archers don't really do too much, especially if they have to walk all the way across the map. I would find it very interesting though if they went for like a tower rush or something in that nature. Hopefully we don't get some really overpowered people who are just like 7-year-olds. Um, Red Panda.
Maybe Saracen archers.
Ooh, that could actually be quite scary if he went Saracen archers relatively early on. Especially if he had a Kuman teammate. That would be pretty scary. Oh, I'm connected to somebody over here.
Yeah, that must be me because I'm connected to someone. Oh wait, nah, we're all connected.
Oh
I
man.
figured out why this connection thing happens as well.
It's
Why
like
it happens?
Yeah, it's because the map gen is we're on the bottom
mhm.
of the
Yeah.
map, and so
Right.
it's just like interlayering it. Whereas if we're
Oh, definitely just disconnected there. Yep. Sorry, I just fell out. Can you guys hear me?
yeah, we can hear you now.
Alright, cool, cool, cool.
Better than ever.
Well, I will say we kind of look like the human centipede over here.
This human thing. Oh man, why did I have to get the middle?
Sorry, man. I think it's better to get the middle than it is the end, is it not?
Because then you get deformed on your ass too. You get deformed on both places.
You get deformed on both.
You know, if you're in the middle, you're eating shit anyway. It's not any better than the last one.
Maybe the last one is actually best because it's already like mushed up so many times, you know.
No, the front is the best for sure.
No way. It's like special privileges right there.
Right. Well, forever in this situation, you can.
All right, they're over here. By the way, you wacky individuals.
You sicko.
Yeah, you sickos.
Hey, Mr. Tito. Oh no! You let one of my deer out the gate.
Who did? Noob?
Noob Powner, yeah.
I did?
Yeah, you did.
Sorry, mate.
Don't worry. It's all good.
Oh man, I just got
Oh,
somebody's
well,
cow,
anyway.
like of their team. Can you guys come over here as quickly as possible?
Oh, I'm a bit far, but I'll get over there now.
Yeah, same.
Reason being is that. Oh, shoot. I have a cow hostage over here.
I'm here, I'm here.
I have like a hostage cow situation. Get this cow out. Help me, help me. Get this cow out.
So far from there.
Okay, Scout, I'm coming. There's another Scout. Kill it.
I think we got the pink one, and then as soon as we get the pink one, go for the next one.
Okay. Oh, I'm running. He's about to get me.
I'm about to get him. Don't worry. I definitely got some idle time due to this, but it's so worth it. Oh no, you don't. Oh, he stole his cow back. Oh no, I got it back.
My Scout's alive.
I got it back. Oh, he actually ended up killing it near the gate. That's hilarious. Alright, kill the gate. Just YOLO it.
I gotta make sure I got a good. Oh, I got all these idols. Hang on.
Same. Definitely not worth it.
The
Oh
cure
god.
can't be worse than the disease.
Oh, this is definitely a cure is worse than the disease kind of a situation over here. Oh my gosh, it is hilarious to me that he had to come all the way out to get his cow.
Yeah. No, that's not a bad result.
It would be a great result if it wasn't for all of my idle time. I mean, I definitely
I don't know about that, but yeah.
definitely could have been a little bit smoother on that one. Scipio.
Right.
Alright, I clicked up.
Oh, you clicked up already.
What's your pop?
Feel like
You
you're
mean you haven't?
early.
I am Lithuanians, and I'm 24 pop.
Oh, I'm getting attacked. Help me out.
I'm nowhere near, and I got 5 HP on my scout. Sorry, mate.
No, Noob's over here. He's got me.
Oops, got you. What else is new?
That's a lot of... Okay, whatever. It's fine. Okay, oh, we one too many pop. Okay, it's fine. My eco is in absolute shambles, but well worth it in my opinion.
We got a spectator.
Yeah, that's probably a smash bot, man. It's probably a smash bot. Think about it.
Yeah, it's so.
Smash bot spec cheap for us, man. We want to be like good like those Chinese guys. Man, they wiped the floor with us. Absolutely wiped the floor with us in that last game.
Guys.
You got the floor wiped with you too. Don't try and pretend.
No, I was doing fine.
Yeah, I'm sure. You were the only one that wasn't massacred yet.
Exactly.
Keyword yet.
Yeah, I expect that's why I got massacred.
Okay.
Damn, I'm 5 food off, man.
That
Here we go.
that is slightly unfortunate. Oh man. You guys went wrong position out. Boop. I don't know if I like this. I definitely messed up my build pretty hard. We're gonna have to sell some 20 food off. Free food off. Okay. Ring the bell. Get it up.
I'm running over to build my
Alright.
stabals.
Stabels.
Just about.
Well, keep it stable, if able. Alright.
Stables.
If you still have scouts, come over here. Actually, over here would be best.
Nope, no scouts.
You don't have your scout left? You lost him?
No, that lost her.
I'm happy you didn't assume gender of your scout. How progressive.
I did, I said I lost her.
You assumed your scout was a woman? Oof.
Yeah. Actually, it's Caitlyn, understand.
Nice, brah.
Scout is in here.
My scout is actually protecting the woman, which is kind of funny because there was a wolf. So it actually kind of worked out, which is kind of funny.
Come so.
Alright, I'm over here doing the thing.
Oh, yep. I'll start making knights. Nicks.
Knights in the nick of time, please.
Yes, sir.
I kind of do want this. Okay, and then what I really want. Oh god. Is one of these.
I got 2 knights here now, but no upgrades yet.
Don't worry, I don't have any longboats
Throw
yet.
them over.
Oops. Need houses. We're never leaving anymore, so it's fine. Boop boop. Get that. Sorry, I'm a little bit slow because I don't have enough wood. If anybody has extra wood, would be very much welcome.
I'll send you some. That's all I have, though.
I'm also down gold. It's fine. It's all good. We have 2 of them. 43, really? Sons of biscuits. Alright. Alright, whenever you want to go, Noob, do you have stuff coming?
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
one sec.
man, I'm housed. Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna shoot through the wall. Go for it.
Okay. I'm about to get chain barred. There we go. Clicked it.
Okay.
I just got to,
Oh, nice, nice,
my
nice.
chain barred and armor to kick in.
Yeah, you gotta get me some of that.
Can you get in?
I
No.
might be able to. Nah, he's
Come over to yellow. Come over to yellow.
Okay. On my way, boss.
Timber hoogwandi. Oh,
This guy's walled as well.
awkward. Okay, we'll go to red. Red's over here. You should be through. Nope.
I can break this blacksmith, I think.
Yeah, can do that.
I don't know. Trying to help out.
Man, these guys really.
Oh, there's a hole. There's a hole.
Oh, we're in.
Oh, he's open. Holy shit. Okay, I'm just gonna run under. Just
Yeah, same.
Two knights over here. 2 knights over here.
Oh, yep.
And I'll work on an entry point for purple. Oh, he made a dock over here. Interesting. That's not every day that you see that. I will respect the dock play. Oh, look, they went for this little Wally base over here in the back.
Vills are out.
He's going for Malukis. Mammals. Mamelukes. Alright, whenever you guys are done, come over here and we can formulate another attack.
Okay. Oh, he's got a TC over here.
Alright, we're through over here on the back too. I don't know what he has over here, but they walled. I don't think they went for actual ships.
I'm on 1 TC, by the way.
Yeah, we need to do some damage. Alright, let's go forward over here. If you guys have stuff.
Yep. Sending them over. I'm gonna attack from the back as well with 2 knights.
Okay. Come over here if you can. Alright, protect these, Oh, he has a castle. Okay,
He's
okay.
got a castle.
Never mind.
Oh shit, they got Mamelukes in there.
Yeah, never mind, never mind. Retreat, retreat. Okay, we need to find a new angle quickly. Let's go yellow, I guess. Go for that market.
Okay.
We should start making more TCs and going into eco.
Yeah. I'm gonna build my TC next to you, Mr. Noob Power.
Not power, Poner, man. Get it right, jeez. Jeez, he's really
Sorry,
sensitive
man.
about his name, okay?
Put some respect on the name, please.
Alright, he has eco back here.
Okay, this market's almost dead. We're about to run in.
Red is pretty wiped.
Alright.
Oh, just some shitty knights.
Alright, attack noob over here. Oh, castle.
Let's start castle.
I'm getting a castle. I'm just buying a castle.
Oh, nice. Yeah, yep. You do you.
Yeah, get that. Red's going for another TC over here. Oh, he also has a castle. Interesting.
There's a monk stealing my knight. Shit. Okay, I don't know how you. Oh, they're calling it. Fuck yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say I'm Imperial.
Nice.
I denied that castle. It was at like, what's it at? 99%?
It looks pretty dang close. Boom! Hit him with the advertisement.
Oh damn! You denying that guy's castle like that?
Yeah, that's right when the last Vill died, he resigned.
Yeah, I put my longboats over
pretty
there.
good.
So I think their strategy here was very simple. Basically, boom up in that back corner as much as possible. Don't take any damage, and then try and wreck us in
Oh.
Imperial Age. That's why they constructed those 2
They were
docks.
trying to They were trying to wall with the docks. Yeah.
Yeah. But I shot through my side with a whole bunch of longboats. I mean, it's really hard to do this when one person goes longboats. I mean, I think our strategy kind of countered their strategy to a certain degree.
Those castles in their base are a bit pesty, but you know what? The fact that they had to do that,
Yeah,
we're doing pretty well.
yeah. I mean, I was about to send over my my rams to red, and then once they go Imperial Age, all of those castles are going to go down due to War Galley.
Look at Noob Powner's kill death ratio this game.
Ooh, noob.
Yeah, not bad.
30 and 5, eh?
Yeah, I got some. Struggs and I, we really did a number on red, and then Struggs, you went to help Poopler, but then I finished off red.
Yeah, sweet.
You got really squeezed.
That was good coordination, eh? Like you working with Poopler while you just finished off red. Damn.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like the bystander in this this kind of strategy, which is actually kind of enjoyable as well. Just because I have no idea how much damage you guys do once you get in there. I'm just kind of like trying to make more openings. I mean, we really had to try and make openings on what, 3 different players? First purple, no way.
Well.
And then yellow, no way. And then red, he had a tiny little hole and we got through on red. And then with the Rams, we eventually managed to get through on yellow. But he already had the castle up at that point, right? I think they were going full unique units.
Yeah, but the problem with this castle though was that it was at the back. Not that that's like a bad thing, but it left like the whole front of his base just completely unusable.
Yo, noob.
And
What the F is this? What are all these villagers going forward to collect wood long distance?
They're not collecting wood. It's they're there for a castle.
Oh, okay, okay.
They might have been carrying wood, but I didn't send them to wood over there.
No, they don't look like they're carrying wood. They're stone miners, so it makes sense. Alright, checks out. Your story checks out. Alright, you guys down for another one? I mean, I have time today. This is like my last day of holiday, so I'm down to play if you guys are.
Man, I got like 60% of what you just said, but if you want to play another, I'm down.
Alright, I said this is my last
your
day.
mic was lagging real bad, but
Last day of vacation. You guys want to play another game?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Struggs in.
I gotta get off. It's midnight over here. But
Oh
what
man.
did you say? It's your last day of your holiday.
Oh, holiday every day, man.
Oh, okay. When are you playing next?
I don't know, to be completely honest with you. Also, I should probably start recording. Thanks for walking.